Welcome to all. We have started our online course PGTRB English in Valluvar Vasagar Vattam. We will provide you a materials, test batch, group discussion in Google Meet. First, let's see the syllabus. Unit 1 Poetry, Detailed Poetry. Geoffrey Chaucer, Prologue to the Canterbury Tales. Edmund Spenser, Faerie Queene, Book 1. Let's see the session in brief. Detailed Poetry, Geoffrey Chaucer, Prologue to the Canterbury Tales, Edmund Spenser, Faerie Queene, Book 1. Geoffrey Chaucer. About the author. Geoffrey Chaucer was born in 1340 and died on 25th October 1400, was an English poet and author. He has been called the father of English literature or the father of English poetry. His best known works are The Book of the Duchess and The House of Fame. He considered the greatest English poet of the Middle Ages. He is best known for the Canterbury Tales. His work, The Book of Duchess, it tells about the C.S. lost his life at sea and how Alcyone, his wife, mourned his absence. Unsure of his fate, she prays for the goddess Juno to send her a dream vision. And the next book, The House of the Fame, it tells about the Middle English poem and probably written between 1374 and 1385, making it one of his earlier works. He written the poem The House of the Fame. The lines is 2500 long in 3 books and takes the form of a dream vision composed in the octosyllabic couplet. What is an octosyllabic couplet? It is a verse with 8 syllables. The syllabus is a word. Prologue to the Canterbury Tales. The Canterbury Tales is a book of stories written by Chaucer. It was written in the 14th century. It was one of the first books to be written in Middle English. The book is about a group of pilgrims traveling from London to Canterbury. As they travel along, each person tells a story to pass the time. However, only 23 were completed and one was partially finished. 2 of the stories are written in prose, the others are written in verse. Next topic is about Edmund Spenser's The Faerie Queene, Book 1. Let's see about the Edmund Spenser's about the author. Edmund Spenser was born in 1552 and died in 13 January 1599. Was an English poet best known for the Faerie Queene. The Faerie Queene, an epic poem and fantastical allegory celebrating the Tudor dynasty and Elizabeth I. He is recognized as one of the premier craftsmen of nascent modern English verse and is often considered one of the greatest poets in the English language. Let's see Edmund Spenser, Faerie Queene, Book 1. The Faerie Queene is an English epic poem by Edmund Spenser. Books 1, 2, 3 were first published in 1590, then republished in 1596 together with books 4 to 6. The Faerie Queene is notable for its form at over 36,000 lines and over 4,000 stanzas. It is one of the longest poems in the English language. It is also the work in which Spenser invented the verse form known as the Spenserian stanza. The major themes of Faerie Queene are love, religion, politics, morality and ethics, justice and judgment, appearance and loyalty. In next class, we will upload you a video in Unit 1 Non-Detailed Poetry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.